the 40 excavators in a way.
Me pacho Samren na mini lobe. And I me free near you watching. I dear Chenaka 7.
Akronfo monko hwemra 33 na mu hu no monko hwemra
40 excavators 33 to 2 ira keza modie containers in 2 ira na excavators in 2 ira
40 no aka 7 hey na dem inti na movie say ya na yejimi ya na ye di aduane eye nkwan aduane ya na ye nom nkwan ne guhu na
Mr. Sa 33 excavators no moa mu ni baabi ayewo.
MCC penipa na so ye shi wo Ghana hapa mo bi dan ebisa the question. Esa won na Dr. Hannah Bissiw Koti, NDC National Women's Organizer, outside former member of parliament for Tano South constituency. Hannah Bissiw, our Galamsey tax force leader, Abusia na so ayeshipa after said. Ono ankasa be ka kire se omotima kwachi excavators makumako 40 aboa no ewo ho. Ade chin excavators 40 no omaye hon kontama Ghana frontier. In less than 12 hours omo excavators no osi ebu makumako 33 a full turbine etuaira eno na Ghana force masa ehene ha where is here ehene ha eze Hannah Bissiw watch excavators makumako 40 12 hours emaye excavators netimi etuaira dia asemi ye TV da ejane Rasta asaredonko Abronye DC TikTokers and Blakk Rasta abemu na omunro bia bebo gumbi ene superment Hannah Bissiw de eja akona so I Penyah Blakk media mess was any dim over like video no that one subscribe button no be favorite notification icon for just update how about the wide and mama e will comment section so baswa no she no cross in be ashe the fight against Galamsey is still in session and him say enchebe anansi emu enu say oma forming a new Galamsey task force is Dr. Hannah Bissiw and a enimu Hannah Bissiw NDC National Women's Organizer and also former member of parliament for Tano South constituency under NDC in the ticket of NDC or no any member of parliament for them. Now Hannah Bissiw in fact when it comes to the fight against Galamsey then I dem oba ya santua or etuo dan ko hu di memenu bowra kwaye betuo mu ko ekokwaye mu epokesi mu ekobobre ni fita mu chane ne nkete ko sto de minimum etwe ne be fie edin ko shekoti nsa e was cells obo adwuma e ma odna problem agopiem e was Subin River bet on na Subin honmo no ene ganzo mu edi Galamsey sikadi brechi ese nsuo ene sase de o tori wo mase o to mu so re o tintes ko kopa e de chiro on say o de chiro dana
Officer,
river this
is the river they block, so this is Subin.
and they block the river.
Block our river so that they can take our boat. Yeah, me he can send and say, "Be one only be a meeting, we don't give it." As if we are beggars.
Like, this is wickedness. You block a river just to mine.
Move on. Move.
It's almost all my ADB.
What was your no, my diverting in the bambies. So I'm going to give it. The water you give Ghanaians where you go drink.
My sense when you are going into fire. No, is it? Yeah, no way. No, yeah, it's to come demo.
Bawini, you pour water. You're supposed to be. You won't drink good water. Give me.
na Subin River bet on wana and eba say watimi achichi excavators no wasiti makumako 40 a e wona kache ade chi Hannah Bissiw amiyan kontamenti 40 excavators na oche ya no o mebo hon kontantre Ghana for ewe hene yehwe Hannah Bissiw ebia no meka saya out of the 40 excavators no in less than 12 hours no emu 33 to aira masa emu 33 ayela amaka 7 ko amamba jini temwa eroso besa ayela
The 40 excavators in a way.
Me pacho Samren na me ni low bed na me frefre na esi o watch ade eche na ka 7 ehona tie ehonom na me ni prosini no commander ne kokontokwa no enti wo dia 7 enyan ne dia machi akosio
40 excavators na ochi ya na wunya nya low bed no ade e be chi onya low bed o ko e free 40 abana be ka 7
yes sir
33 etimi free muremu
yes enti this time na me call at a time no die me the engineers call uniform and non-uniform both military and police ekoi ena mesomisi sheme fisa na anu no mututu atio na send omule ambush tina meka se menu na ma minsrohwe oyodi ma funyame enti ya kono ye niema wie na engineers no so mo de tracker bo ho na ma ye na ye ntimi movie a no musoso ehun se ye no factory na tracker nka ho enti omombo nimdie isi from no makeka na emesi
87 away
there
7 excavators
me patcho ye 8 the next number sa kwa kofa 2 account
ana se mi anse anadwo no that day no mo chase excavators na omu ni low bed ye kan low bed a truck low bed truck I don't have those cars ye transport cars any heavy duty machines those NFL low bed truck it's not a bino the addition low bed truck by low bed truck by let's say 40 excavators no it moved the 3 island in less than 12 hours island now I saw a pop up on the internet no and Erastus as I don't was there be the master once Erastus as I don't when it comes to the fight against Galamsey that Ghana only demon to my journalists are what two was about fight against Galamsey I say I say when Hannah Bissiw okay and I don't say me
but the first time Erastus as I don't come back no share video about say operations na honorable Hannah Bissiw no the sector minister the defense minister the interior minister away to response or the buy
na me ni lobe na me frefre na esi o watch ade eche na ka 7 ehona tie ehonom na me ni prosini no commander ne ko ti wo dia 7 na nyan ne dia machi akosio
40
your court
Odu amame me pass video so odu amame na me kwara me Erastus asar donko ekodi enkumo Erastus good morning Erastus
yeah
Erastus good morning okay are possible say 33 excavators bet me ayira with number of years how do any dig Galamsey achi
I just say nipa kra onim sa ayira no onye na adwen so so onye na adwen so hwehwe dia ane na ayira I to say odi anoma shonsem na odi akwachire opanyi say anoma no wawu ana wanyame ndi se panyimu no kacho say wawu a no waja anoma na madapi o kacho say onwu ya no wamia no wonsem amanawu ebi no excavator nya dia eye match sadaka e de odi she ogodu na odi she bag akusi se uja no onwuram na so obi kra try say wo move a odi ko she ba bia o tracy na namo no a betimi akohu se ehye ha na se ha the low bed and odi fire o betimi tracy and I even had the chin ya buy ya excavators nipa kwa o mine wo ho no wo give nipa kwa o mine den ya nipa kwa no be approach you abesere wo se fa excavators no man na wo chi nipa wo ho a obo akasa ha be che say you know possession na illegal mining activity na nipa smart dia enya difficult cause of be trace the excavators no eti ese ebeka se excavators ayira no ya na enwoma nipa ko ni da so no onye na adwen so wo hwehwe ana omo a hwehwe no omo ni ba bi ewo ana omo da so hwehwe eno de oba hwehwe ache wo hu enti ne wo mu no
will you support say yem pebedweko ni nya hwehwe mu fa saade we ho
I was say me ma ka say president were interested that's what is serious say of fighting galamsey anka ba na nke akon wi enye rocket science o nemum yenim solution no ana da bia ye dance around it ye sapa ho sa na solution it no ana we so e kire o say da bia me ka say prosifo ni bebre e corrupt, they have been compromised. Prosifo bebre wo galamsey prone areas no dodo na no ma compromise to the extent say omo hu illegalities no but omo nya ho say wo a wo bekwa fight no, they will fight against you. There have been so many instances, Western North, and prosifo who say galamsey koso wo omo nya ho hwe. Also, another security operative say onko ho no onko stop o ma eno de omo ti ya no masoma prosifo aba ho say adeti no aba ho. Enti we enye no nwa say ye dija prosini na be ma kwan say monko fa ma de enko no waje ne kakra she de botu. I was say IGP institute investigation into Sadia na course one. They are finding out easy to find. The why and the mark why more exercise excavators in the field. Say the idea jawa obo ho by. Omo corporations bebre no. Put excavator we ma wunya no horse we ja no horse ah. It has all bit to control boards no. Now dia kofi and no the omo ba omo timi sisa. Na dia chi a wa be tracking nyina fi ho. Ana say who the men ebe gumrem ho no ma bo ho by. But to the extent that ultimate excavators 33 no gumrem ho. Eko fi ko dae ma dia chi e si eni ho. Protein e de share nsa wo si busa no asem.
Abronye DC da bi Hannah Bissiw ja da ka ma se nya nkora na okuruma ye nya nkora kan sem si asam se ja akwa na sem no
until within 7 months no 80 excavators and a co o masisa 80 excavators ayira you see munye di mun so nkanya se be ma ba na yere aye unpopular
40 to 7.
yes. Within a day, you're order from above. You know, and they are sending a friend now warning because we grant interview. And no one way, I'm the manager say the government under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, galamsey promising a prank.
2027, 1 year to the election, and I'm antics.
Yes,
and the actual Ghana force say we are
yes,
serious about the fight.
Yes, because
but
we are going to election.
We are so
no.
Wow.
Sana assembly.
Yewu.
Sana assembly.
Yewu chama.
Yewu. One say, man ko obi omo obi anya na dwuma. Jese ono so apake ne tools. Mo hu ne bie was adwuma we. Omo
de Yamutala first Minister for Environment.
Yes. What in Kabie?
Dabi omba bio.
Mami we so eye honorable Hannah Bissiw. Monten and Kabie. E wo galamsey ho. Take it from me.
Hey, John Dramani Mahama.
Yes, President John Dramani Mahama. Take it from me. Say order from above. And kodia chire nyawa dwuma ne nka se ko fight. We have a task force. Ye galamsey ho do wa mani o wane soma.
Trasa nkurana ye wo omo a omo nsane omanu nyina ni ho no mo. Ana plasisia omo se kontomre ye banche bayire ni ade nyina.
Blakk was so abey kanabele.
They say when the birds learn to fly without perching, the hunter must learn to shoot without missing. My brother, my sister. So this is what is happening. Which police was handed this to? Where is the IGP? Can you sanction them? That's what a serious nation does. Kai, God knows. He knew from Tete why he never made me president. This country would have been better than America. Better than England. My brother, how can you seize 40 excavators? Make the police in charge of this. Police, not land guards. My brother, my sister, less than 24 hours later you come and all these excavators that had trackers installed on them and could only be moved by the owners had only 7 left. The rest were taken away. Did the police fall asleep? Did they shoot and kill the police on duty? What was the problem? Did I say more? It means we're not a serious people.
Now the TikTok montre so there. Omo ebo gumbi eno superment.
Akronfo monko hwemra 33 na mu hu no monko hwemra adai NDC adai excavator modiamo betwa so
Yama me Hannah Bissiw ubablo adwuma no bablo na munya hu he fa support plus sign is no full account saying the atoma no watch Hannah Bissiw say we seizing 40 excavators Adia Chinogo police station 40 excavators 33 to 2 ira. There's a mode containers in 2 ira. Na excavators in 2 ira. Na dollars in 2 ira. There's a mode bibia 2 ira. There's a mo some ya benten force and mo ya avatar phone ya to abama mo ni bibia mo fubai. Hannah Bissiw bablo. Papa na wa fa yo. Se de ma wo so no akogye o se wa so akoprio. Se wo de. Galam se de ma de ma wo disca wo. Na we discuss so be daji. Watch excavators 40. At the Chinako police station, 33 here. To see excavators in at about 2. Ah, Ghana is serious country. Who a Hannah Bissiw never think in the aya sack your pam. Police commander, I think in the aya sack him in about Munim Yamu. Now, when they are done for that dreams and comedia, but anyway, or 2 Kulu eyes in there. That is all watching excavators 40. At the 33 to ira. Excavators in a front. Excavators a parrot na to twaira. What's your position? And so I'm a moody again. This is a moody crowd. And this I'm a moody nimby. And Utina, since coming from time, Muntimi implement and the social intervention policy since coming from time. Because when you shame for me, MPP free such as health insurance, free maternal care, school feeding program, and this is there. Probably I'm regana for that. Yentenim kwa MPP meyen ye yentra fie enye propaganda ye boss wa yentini ye onye nwore Hannah Bissiw wo bebre kura chense wo bebre chense na ye de mu bi na ye politics ni nim na ye ti ase de irim se we nyina ya danko dadadwe adwuma na mo ye de mo ne ye no
Abusua, for the past some days I think weeks or something like that, operations be koso Hannah Bissiw ne call for you operations be or much galamsey for ne China for you or site near the na emissary cry emissary with a munti Hannah Bissiw na num to oh in she left with a munti.
So the 40 excavators in a way.
Me pacho Samren na mini lobe and na me fresh yes you watching Adia China Castle. Ehona tie ehonom na mini proceeding the commander ne kokonto kwan. Enti we dia 7 nyan ne dia machi akosu.
40 excavators na. Ochi ya na wunya low bed no. Ade abechi onya low bed okọ free 40 abana beka 7.
Yes sir.
33 etimi free nwura mu.
Yes, enti this
we see 40 excavators. 40 40 now only low bed at the chia unya low bed no 40 no aka 7 hey na dem inti na movie say ya na yejimi ya na ye di aduane e nkwan aduane ya na ye nom nkwan ne guhu na masa 40 excavators at the chia no unya low bed no 40 no aka 7 33 ko wow excavator enye phone na odi 40 egu ho e na de che so obi abesisa 40 no ko obi abesisa 33 ko excavator 40 into person che say net say time and watch ade no 40 na o twen low bed e dia be fa no from time I watch no to ade che na onya low bed no na amount for the low bed ma 33 aba ho abesisa excavator no 33 ko wow and just mutwa mtrao mutwa de mpoma da ho na ye chimwa motimi afa ho adwane na ntrowe po hana betwa ntrowe pa kire no no be jadi mam panyini pa ntro bia utwa ah sa 33 ne ewei masa mama manfo nyo madwuma mun create any job bia o Hannah Bissiw no wa mun create any job bia for omo judgment na mabetena fie no nti se krono na mpese do so ha dia ene mo nhyɛ ase NDC excavator mo yere mo na mo gigi se krono na mpese do so dia mo NDC excavators mo create job bia nipa no ojai galamsey na wo ye no ojai na adwuma na ye na mabetena fie na common adin woni adwuma ye nti obi bɔ ne paase koye we ya obekɔ akɔye enye obi a no betimi survive abra woni adwuma ye ebi be kɔ akɔye ade bɔne e dia piska right now no oye adwuma obi ti wo obeka se mu se yensu so far as say epo eda Ghana ha no se Ghana nsu be twa wo Ghana ha na se yenya nsu wo Ghana ha se epo awe se onima nsu eda Ghana ha be nsu bia wo ha bia ni nyina etenetene kombo we ekugu pum se nsu be twa ana se nsu be we wo Ghana ha se epo awe Ghana po ha ntinya de nso betuma wie from mamu ada epo yentimi num wie masa moma omunye omadwuma no munye sika mfandidi o moma omunye adwuma no munye sika mfandidi na munye de mocheche no mo amankasa moje ade na mo de akwakoye modwuma na chese 33 na every mu no omutimi afford mo conditions amode amom enum ti na wo betena obeka se 33 every 7 na aka no mo conditions amode mo no mantimi afford enti no mo excavators na ka ho na 33 ne de o matimi afford mo conditions na amode mo no ana mo tua mo no maje gu mboto masa na ntro ya utwa ipa ho apa na utwa ntro we kire no baje di god do bladi na ko hey 40 excavators 24 hours krama 33 ayera aka 7 ai already boy
abusan for target Dr. Hannah Bissiw mami na katre de say ensam na wakan Ghana for njintu esanse wo betina Dom FM akatre wiase nyina se oko operations require woni police for ni soldier for ekwachi excavators maako 40 na de cha no pa o besesa excavators na obeto saka 7 anajuma na sambe ni se woni police for ni soldier for akọ no wache na anajo na waja ni nyina agu ho ade cha no pa wo se me besesa aka 7 sa na adwuma na asam ne de Ghana fo njintu na wabetina Dom FM na wuchirichirim se Ghana fo mbo mu nsema wa na ase de again nsam na wo kai no e very revealing because so tie nsam na Dr. Hannah Bissiw kai e wa Dom FM na wo se o cooperations na on country minister for interior on country obia into okọ na okoye ne operations ni wia na Ghana fo at esanse osuro se ebeliki na omo galamsey no ebetimi ambush no anase ombetimi adwane so yenti ase se mo mpanimfo na wo se usuro se obeka kiro mo no omunim omo ye galamsey no enunti na ama se usuro se oka kiro mo a ombetiana. That is the question Ghana for enyina ebisa Mr. Sa 33 excavators no mo amunim bia yawo de bebo mo pa ne se mo beko akɔpɛ baabi a ɛwɔ na mo de abeto ho na Ghana fo nyina
abuja hi Kamal da mo we bia good morning yeah before say beto video so munti sa video we de munti bra
40 excavators na way
me pacho samren na mini lobe ena me frefre ni esi o chi ade chi na ka 7 ehona tie ehonom na mini prosini no commander ne kokonto kwan enti wo dia said na nyaa ne dia machi akosio
40 excavators na ochi ya na wunya low bed no ade ya bechi onya low bed okọ e free 40 abana be ka 7
yes sir
33 etimi free ngura mu
yes enti de
ebuzi yekotie video no ye pese bisa NDC fo Hannah Bissiw say odin say galamsey no stop here no say e makeups ni ye stop galamsey anasa den anasa obe hip oto asha tale aye kunkuntan enen na mu wuro mi say o stop galamsey the mentality, the brain behind the stopping of illegal mining galamsey no. And yet the Hannah Bissiw no me wure me you. Why you makeups now? Why can I now? Why happen to oko uhuru is a kangaroo? And then you stop illegal mining or Ghana who na NDC for. Say what me my excavators 33 year I walk with the excavators 33 mako 20 bi be say the excavators 33 Ghana for Nankasana the right time who the real identity of this NDC for super kasa afi na eba no obi abe
amia odaso yi eche excavator mako 40 edi koja Ghana police service say o ko na adechi a o the low bed be ba be fa adechi na o ko ya emu 33 ayira a police for na ho nyina no hu se low bed abisiwo pack excavator no ayira ukọ be eton excavator na nipa ba ko pe enete wo no wo hwe sa excavators nyina ebesinne the pin kura enyira free ho ni nyansa aban de nti ayira yan hwehwe so akwaji obi excavator so on pakro di bone or say nsu or land nti no wo abaje de ma aban no wo de wafa ekoye adwuma wo nwura mu ho Ghana politics je sa na se ayira yehu biem ayira nyese ekohwe ayira kura we hwia enyeyi ayira sa nkwase asimwi na mudidi abunya no munyo adwuma wan na mummi adwuma bia ma mo nwura mu se omo fa nidi se obakwaji excavator na wa bon mine krono de ma ban se tual ka boso de munyai na omo aban enfi omo onye adwuma ye onye na adwuma why yasema munya mo munyo adwuma wasi asemsi na moti omo na mudi excavator na enu ankra ntimi fa kwa so no this a low bed ne be so ne loading no ayira just like that moti na be ka che Ghana for say 33 ayira nyese ye ko hwe kura o ayira etu atwa mo ye moa papa ma ya de da mas papa na me omo nwure mo na jeja mo wo ba jeja mo de ko ye mo adwuma mo de ko mo ni wo mo nku mo ma ya de pa Ghana da mas ma opia mo bo adwuma.
Tiraje mame ewo comment. Do you believe said excavators ebetimi ayira simple sa ana say asma Hannah Bissiw Canada de masa on concern lebi obetuma kire wadwen amame ewo comment section. How you Penyah Blakk media. Accra.